Hello everyone! Today we are going to read together Construction Site. Clunk, boom, boom. What's that noise? We are at the construction site. Put on your hard hat and let's go see. Construction workers wear hard hats to protect their heads. Can you point the hard hat? Good job. Okay. What is this truck?
A bulldozer.
Good job. Push. A bulldozer clears the land, moving rocks and the rubble off the way. A water bottle, yes. Tracks around the wheels help it crawl on the uneven ground. The big metal plate in the front is called a blade. Can you point the blade?
Blade.
Good job. What's this one?
A dump truck.
Dump truck, good job. The dump truck hauls rubble away to a dumping site. The box at the back tipped to pour out all the things inside. Tip. The largest dump truck in the world is so big you need stairs to get into it. What's this one? Excavator. Everything is cleared and it's time for the excavator to do its work. Scoop. It has a long arm with a bucket on the end, which makes big holes in the ground. An excavator is also called a digger. What is this one? What is this one? What is this one?
A food truck.
A food truck, good job. Munch, munch, it's time for lunch. The food truck has rolled up to the side and everyone is hungry. What will you order? A food truck is a restaurant on wheels. Which food do you like? Which food do you like? Ice cream? Okay, you like ice cream. Okay. What is this one?
A roll.
A roll roller. Roll, roll. The heavy drum on the steamroller slowly revolves, flatten everything below. Steamroller make the ground firm and strong. What is this one? What this one? Mixer truck. Spin. What's in the back of this mixture? It's concrete. The large drum goes around and around to keep the concrete wet until it's ready to be poured out. Once the concrete is poured, it will take a few hours to harden. Okay, what is this one?
A car truck.
A delivery truck? Delivery truck.
A
Tractor trailer.
A tractor trailer.
Yes, good job. Honk. The delivery truck arrives stacked high with things the builder will need. How many wheels can you count? How many wheels? How many wheels can you count? Can you count the wheels? Can you count the wheels? Can you count the wheels? How many wheels? How many wheels?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You are missing one. Count again.
1, 2, 3.
4.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. It has 6 wheels from this side. Okay. All right. And what is this one?
A crane.
A crane. A crane is used to lift heavy things and move them to the right spot. Okay. What is this one?
A fork.
A forklift.
Forklift.
Beep beep. The forklift can lift and move big box. Can you show me which one is the small box? Where is the small box?
Large.
Large.
Medium.
Medium.
Large.
Small. Good job. How about this side? How about this side?
Small.
Small.
Medium.
Medium?
Large.
Large. Good job. And what is this one?
Fork.
This is a trencher.
Tractor.
A trencher has sharp teeth that work together to break up the hard ground. Okay. And can you name all the trucks? Can you point all the trucks? What is this one?
Dump trucks.
What is this one?
Excavator.
Excavator. What is this one?
Roller.
Roller. What is this one?
Excavator.
This one?
Dump truck.
Dump truck. And this one?
Bulldozer.
This is a bulldozer. Yes. And what this one?
Tractor trailer.
Tractor trailer. And what this one?
Crane.
A crane. Good job. And the whistle blows and the day is done. But the construction workers and their big machines will be back in the morning. The end. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.